Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Make your foot the foot that counts. In courts of law, two titans face their fate. Trump and Norcross, once wielding power great. The former president, now convicted felon. Norcross, indicted, his influence bold like Magellan. In courtrooms from Manhattan to Atlanta, a series of extraordinary legal dramas. Across America. 1. Donald Trump, the former U.S. president, now stands convicted of 34 felonies related to falsifying business records. A verdict handed down by a Manhattan jury. While he has successfully stalled 2 federal cases. And RICO case in Fulton County, Georgia. This marks the first time in American history that a former commander-in-chief has been found guilty of crimes, raising profound questions about presidential accountability and the future of Trump's political career. The fact that it happened in a state court adds an interesting jurisdictional wrinkle. 2. Meanwhile, in New Jersey, George Norcross III, a powerful political boss, faces a sweeping 111-page indictment on corruption charges. Prosecutors allege that Norcross exploited his influence to secure lucrative real estate deals in Camden, one of the poorest cities in the country. Camden has a complex history marked by industrial decline, political corruption, and high crime rates. And the indictment underscores the deep-rooted problems the city faces in its fight against corruption and inequality. Norcross's appearance at his own indictment announcement suggests a stunning level of confidence in the face of serious accusations. And 3. In Atlanta, the trial of rapper Young Thug, who was charged alongside more than 24 other people under Georgia's RICO Act, has been rocked by controversy. His attorney, Brian Steele, was held in contempt for objecting to an ex-parte meeting between Judge Earl Glanville, the prosecution, and a star witness, Kenneth Copeland, aka Lil Woody. The incident raises alarming concerns about due process and judicial impartiality, with the Georgia Supreme Court's intervention signaling potential problems with the judge's actions. These cases, while distinct and in various jurisdictions, share a common thread of being highly unusual. High-stakes legal battles that blur the lines between politics, big business, criminal justice, and celebrities. As these cases unfold simultaneously, they raise difficult questions about equal justice, how accountability is enacted towards those with social capital, and others without. The outcomes could set renewed interest because of the precedents being set, exposure of systemic flaws, and bring to the public expectations about holding the powerful to account. From the streets of Camden to the U.S. 2024 election, these prodigious legal dramas are converging to create a moment of reckoning for America's economic and cultural elite. As the nation watches closely, the implications could be far-reaching and transformative. In Atlanta's court, a judge's actions shock, as Glanville's ex-parte meeting was poised to block impartiality questioned, a trial's fairness stained. Higher court intervenes, a bond is gained. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.